We made it 2.5 hours. It's not even that bad, but I just got back from Vegas like last night. I was like a 30-hour drive, so a little tired, but we made it. We're gonna drift, Wednesday night drift. Let's get it.
Okay.
The car is still set up. This past weekend, Kenzie drove it at an Indy Drift event weekend, so it's still set up for her. So I'm gonna have her drive the first part of Wednesday night and get some laps in. We all know she needs it. But boom.
Ouch.
And then we'll try to get some tandems in. Yeah. There's a Miata in front of us. Oh, it's kind of cool.
Oh, shit.
See, I need the VSLD one or whatever. Is that what the deal is?
The what?
The VSLD or whatever it is. The limit diff.
Viscous?
Whatever that is.
What? I'm confused.
VDC. The other one that was in that fuse that you didn't cut.
That wasn't in the fuse. VDC is a ECU.
It's better than what I had. Killing all power.
Teaching Z people how to do Z things.
Gary's gonna park. Stop! Who is giving out the
I look like I'm 8 months
stickers?
pregnant under
Josh
here.
Sherburne and Larry. That's cool.
All right, so we are in the car. She's gonna make her first few laps.
Sorry.
Pretty sketchy. Let's get it. She's about to start doing figure eights to get used to the car.
I don't want to.
How will she do?
Shut up.
Not bad. Not bad at all. How do you feel about doing your first lap?
I'm nervous.
Yeah? You gonna have fun though?
Of course.
You gonna try anything cool?
No.
Alright. We're good. Let's get it. Second gear.
Oh my Dang, that makes me nervous.
So first lap, kind of scary. She'll do all right. Hopefully. Lap 2. I guess. I haven't driven this car in like 2 years because everybody else has been driving it. But I got a new suit, so I figured I'd test that out. Haven't made a single lap today, but we're gonna hop in tandem and chase Breck. See how it goes.
Second lap, how are you feeling?
Oh, that was only my first lap. Car is really sketchy. He's dancing. I think from Kenzie driving it this past weekend, and she like went off track a few times. I think the alignment's pretty janky, but we're just gonna send it. I don't really have my toe plate, so I can't change anything. I could, but I just wouldn't know what I'm changing it to. The brakes click when I use them. It transitions really weirdly, and it's a missile car. We're just gonna send it. We brought a trailer, so if anything bad happens, I mean, whatever. Let's do it.
I get that.
I watched 2 5-train tandems go, and only 2 of them made it out every time. So after the second lap, this car definitely is messed up. It transitions really weird. It's not grippy, and it's just really weird. Say hi to Breck. Hi Breck, say hi to the camera.
Hello. Yeah.
No, like it does not want to transition. Like I have to like man it to transition it.
It just doesn't want to like self-transition almost.
Correct, yeah. I also welded a gusset onto that arm.
You got this thing on point.
What?
You got this thing on point for that last fucking clean ass run.
That was only my, what?
It was like 2 runs ago. I was watching.
I've only done 2 runs.
It must have been the Verge.
It was the Verge.
Together, I was like, God damn! When you just laid a fucking fat, clean line, you were on his shit like.
Would you
right on
believe
it.
me if this car drives like shit?
I believe you. I do. Yep.
It's bent twice already.
Yeah.
So this last time when she drove it, I just like yanked it out and then put like a bracket. Not even a bracket, like a square piece, and I welded it.
Yeah.
So that's kind of how this is, except it
3 years like that.
except it went 90. It touched itself twice, and I had never like we just used a winch in a truck.
Well, as long as it's straight.
Right. Well, it's not really straight. Lap number 4, I think. New tires. Try them. See how it goes. The car still drives like shit. We're making do. I don't know. Whatever. Here for the seat time.